wagacho yombele yose kwa gacho bosonga bosetown Leons lazima ekiranye birengo byo bwagacho muntu karakwe ayo waziri n'abantu bose. You know the route you are taking is to jail because we cannot afford muntu gukwa nebaninje simba Arati me government. I will not try to go against the law. I must abide by the law and I direct so. That's what the winner Tibet Chito Chonse P. Now instructions. Chonse P. Never South Mugangere, Osimu Choke, Osimuge Tooth. We are making sure Kwabe Torichibe Sororo, Tibet Chito, to make sure Amaruba Chiroro are solving the courses which were to be offered at the university here. So that we can ease them. I'm told at the university, there are those ones who are not very comfortable. Leo walikuwa wafagie town. Wamesikia mtu kama anafagia town na town ni yangu, tutafagia pamoja na yeye. Sasa wanaogopa nini? Unajua kama anakuja now you cancel the students to come and do cleaning. Teknomo kama mimi. I want to assure you na okora legacy na to promises na kilo mondo agoke legacy to akore. Chipara to appointed nchigene te korosibo. Isi classroom so appointed nchigene te korosibo. Chinya kitara chito dispenser ndogene te koros. Omega payment to Okora is close to 700 million for the projects here African. Tokobeka no mshahara because the mshahara is around 400 per month. It's close to 1.5 million and we have the money. The only request to the contractors, anybody who has done his work will pay you. As long as the certificate has been certified by the people, will pay you. And for the young people who are here, there is an element of youth. As long as you have a company registered and you have an album, you can tender. You can go for any tender. Kama una pesa, tuko na pesa hapa kwa county. We have money through the credit scheme. Unakuja unakuwa interview, unapewa pesa kama kikundi, naenda unafanya biashara. Check. And be honest yourself. About the device. There's some of the people who take shower in the morning. Mbali kwa taisi kuruma, mbali kwa taisi kuruma. Mbali taisi check. Amaja tele usile sote dai. Usile mwomo enda amaja. Esa mwenye dai. The forward budget, right now we are doing, there was a problem with our supplementary budget, which has stalled everything. But we are going to correct it. But with the forward budget, I'm going to put more money into Tibet. Certainly we can have all of you, for those ones from some counties, attending and attaining good courses in the level of the Tibet institutions that we have in the country. The other day, our only Tibet institution, which leads the country in exams, Nyaore. You saw I came there with our friends from one university who promised they are going to sponsor that institution. Soon, you'll see so many activities at Nyaore from our friends from China. You know, I've seen so many happenings around. And allow me to again ask this man, let us have a public speaking skills trained in this facility. Hapa tuko na magavana wengi, hapa tuko na wabunge, hapa tuko na women rep wengi, hapa tuko na ICT expertise. Kwa hivyo nitawaomba kwamba again, let us be innovative.